Getting affordable HVAC repair that actually lasts means knowing how to spot the right service company with a solid rep in your area. So, here's the deal. First, always check if the HVAC company has been around for a while and has good reviews from real neighbors, not just some fake online stars. Next, ask if their technicians belong to professional groups like the Refrigeration Service Engineer Society, because that usually means they know their stuff. If a tech has letters like CM or CMS after their name, it means they passed some tough specialist exams, so they're probably top-notch. Don't be shy. Ask them to explain how your system works or what's going wrong in simple terms. A good tech will be happy to break it down for you. Also, get a few quotes before you pick anyone, so you don't end up overpaying. Keep an eye out for companies that offer maintenance plans. Those can save you money in the long run by catching problems early. If they're super pushy about upselling or replacing parts too soon, take a step back and get a second opinion. And lastly, make sure they're licensed and insured. That protects you if something goes sideways. One of the biggest mistakes people make when searching for affordable HVAC repair is hiring someone just because they're cheap. Cheap often means sloppy work or hidden fees, so always ask about warranties and what's included. Another common issue is not checking if the technician is properly certified, which can lead to bad repairs or damage to your system. Fix this by asking for credentials up front and looking for those CM and CMS certifications. The third problem is ignoring customer reviews or not verifying the company's reputation. Lots of folks get burned because they skip this step. Spend some time reading honest feedback online or asking friends for referrals to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners by connecting them with trusted local contractors who have proven track records, making it way easier to find reliable help without all the stress. For contractors, it's a solid platform to get more work and grow their business by reaching people in their community who really need their skills.